So this chitta, there's not much specifically told about it, but chitta is the interface between consciousness and the subtle and gross body, and in the chitta is all the sanskaras. Sanskaras means it's almost like the chitta of the individual is like the Akashic records for the world. The Akashic records are some type of subtle layer that's within the ether circulating the globe where people can contact. Akash means calm. There's a record of some shabda, so many things that have been said and so much knowledge. Everything is still floating in the shabda, Akashic records. So some people in the West or even India, they by meditation, by dhyan, by yoga, or just by some nature, they can communicate to that. So that's the same thing. That's a record of so many histories and different people and medicines and cures, and many things are floating around up there like invisible satellites. So same in the chitta of the jiva, and the chitta is sanskaras. So the sanskaras are all the different things that we've done, in the form of the four types of karma are stored there in the chitta, and that's called chitta is a layer that separates the ahankara from the atma.
I thought that ahankara separates.